Hola, mi nombre es Blanca, de Carniceria Aurora. We are located at 465 Havana St in Aurora. At our butchering, we have fresh meat. We can marinate it for you, and we can do a special cut. We have all the Latin flavors for your daily dishes or for any special event. We are one-stop shop. We have products from Mexico and Latin America. And if you don't want to cook, we also have a kitchen where you can enjoy our delicious Mexican food. We have carnitas, tacos, barbacoa, and they are all delicious. You're welcome to try them. Our friendly staff is always happy and ready to support you. We are looking forward to see you soon here at Carniceria Aurora.